Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello guys. In this tutorial, we're going to do a simple song by Ty Trebede. I love you forever, I love you forever. So we're going to stick to the same C shape D, in the key D. So the chord progressions are simple. After this video, a short video, I'll just do the G shape. So forever, A minor, G, F, forever, A minor, G, I, F, forever, still on F, I, forever, I, A minor, Y, G, I, F, forever, A minor, G, I, F, A minor, A, G, and F, forever. Oh, so you can add any strumming pattern that works for you. I think the forever you can play D minor. That's if you want. Okay, so we give glory to God, glory to God, we give glory to God forever. We give glory to God, forever. So let's do. We give F to God, we give the G to God. So we are filling that space. C, G, F to God, for G, little name of sorry. F to God, we give the G to God, we F to God, for a G. So if you followed my tutorial for quite some time now, maybe let me bring the G to a D shape so that will be easy. Because the D is found here, we can just put it on the 7th fret. I love you forever, I love you forever, I love you, C, G, I see forever, I, G, I, did I do, so I see forever, E minor and D, I see forever, E minor, D, so the same, then we give glory to God, we give C to God, then give D to God. So the last time we did G, the Do, so you can do the La, so G, D, glory to God forever, little name of glory to God, and glory to God. forget, I think will be burst if you recommend some songs for me, then I'll work on it and I'll give tutorials on that. Yeah, thank you for watching this video so far, and let me know how your journey with the guitar has been so far. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to give a like. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so that you will not miss my videos. See you next time.